So let's talk about transistors. A transistor is a semiconductor device. It is usually made of silicon. He can be used as a switch or as an amplifier, so he can also amplify signals. Here on the left side we have the symbol of the transistor. And we can see that we have two types of transistors. So we have the NPN transistor and PNP transistor. So we are here talking about the bipolar transistor. These two are also bipolar transistors. So in this picture, we have the order or placement of the transistor legs and their names. So he has three terminals, three legs. He has in the middle is the base, we have the collector, and we have the emitter. So the base is usually in the middle, but they don't need to be always by any type of transistor in the middle. So here is a closer look on the transistors. So as I told, we have the NPN and PNP. I have here these two types of transistors. So let's find out what is NPN and what is PNP. For this we will use a multimeter and we will set the range on this diode symbol. Here on this diode symbol. I'm also going to use a breadboard because it is much easier to do it with it. You need to know that the red cable is plus and the black one is minus. So let's start with the left transistor. First we need to find the base of the transistor. To find the base we need to put one of these, it doesn't matter what color, in the first step, on one leg on the transistor. And now we need to touch both legs, both legs, this and this, on the transistor, and we need to have a reading. If we have a reading, we found that this is the base and this is a PNP transistor. Else, we will change these two. So let's start. We don't have any reading. We don't have any reading. So we now change these two. So we need to have minimum one reading. No reading, one reading. So we have one reading now, but this is not the base, definitely. The left one is not the base because we don't have two readings. So I think the middle one is probably the base. So we hold with the minus, the middle one, and then we touch this, we have a reading, and this, we have a reading. So definitely the middle leg is the base, and this transistor, because we have a plus, and then a minus, and then a plus. This is a plus, negative, plus, so PNP transistor. So let's try the same again with this transistor, who is probably NPN. So we will check if he maybe is PNP, we don't know. So we know that the middle one is the base, and let's check if he is PNP. We don't have any reading. We don't have any reading. So we definitely need to change these two, and we have the minus in the middle, and these two, like, we have a reading, we have the plus in the middle, and we have a reading. So this is NPN, negative, positive, and negative. PNP, NPN transistor. So let's find out on this transistor where is the emitter and where is the collector. So let's check again, is he PNP or NPN? So as we can see, it is a PNP transistor. So how to know where is the emitter, where is the collector? When we measure these two voltage drops, on this right leg we have 0.8, on this left leg we have 0.792. So the difference is very small, but that small difference is enough to us to find out where is the emitter and where is the collector. That leg on what we have the biggest reading is this right, is the emitter. So we have 0799 and we have 0792. So this is a collector, this is the emitter, and in the middle is the base. Thank you for watching.